Hello, this video is about how to make the animation of an object rolling down the steps with the Roll It add-on. First, install. The same way as all Blender add-ons, in the Edit menu, click Preference, Add-ons, Install, find your zip file, install, then enable it. You will find the Roll It panel on the End panel. Here I prepared a scene. We have a cube, a step, and a ground. We want the object to roll down the step to the ground, so we have to ensure the step and the ground be one object. So here first select the step and the ground, Ctrl+J to join them as one object. Select the cube. The first thing you should notice is the object's rotation values should be 0. If I rotate the cube here, you will see a warning, ensure rotation is zeroed. You can press Alt-R to reset it, or press Ctrl-A to apply the rotation. Here I will use Alt-R. Sometimes you may need a specific side facing forward, such as this green one. Don't worry, we can change it later in the add-on. Select the cube, click the Roll It button. A new panel will pop up, and we get a new object named Roll Control. It will automatically fill in the controller's field. In the target field, select to your ground object, then the cube will fall onto the ground. Select the controller, rotate it, the object will always fit onto the ground. Now if you think the size of the controller is too big, you can press the S key to scale. This is based on the size of your scene. The controller controls the movement and rotation of the object, but its scaling takes no effect on the object. This arrow indicates the forward direction of the object. This circle of arrows indicates the trend of the rotation. This is the central axis of rotation. I made the coordinate system to facilitate the observation of the object's rolling trend. But if you have confidence in your sense of direction, you don't have to follow it. But for myself, it is necessary to have a fixed direction for reference when doing rolling animations. If you want the green side facing forward, select the object. You can see a bunch of parameters on the add-ons panel. Adjust the Z value of the rotation offset. Here, just set it to 90 degrees. The green side will facing forward. Okay, now let's make rolling animations. Go to the first frame. Select the controller. Press I, insert a keyframe on its location and rotation. Then go to frame 100. Move the controller. R, Y, Y, rotate it to a suitable angle, then insert a frame. Play. The object is rolling now. You need to estimate the rotation of the controller. If you find it rolls a bit too much, you can set this rotation value back and replace the keyframe. Watch the animation. There is a problem. The object and the steps have interpolation. This is because we don't get enough vertex on the object. Here select the object, tab. Select all vertexes, right-click, subdivide it for several times. Then play. The problem is solved. In some case, if you don't want to subdivide the object, you can use Surface Subdivision modifier instead. Just note that you should choose the simple type, and the subdivision should be placed on top of the automatically generated Roll Any modifier. In this case I have subdivided it, so I don't need the it. Okay, so you can achieve the animation of the object rolling down the steps. Hope this will be helpful to you. Thank you for watching.